Thank you for watching this video. My name is Fan Newman with ProTech Systems, your local IT service provider. You can find us at protechllc.com and telephone number is 704-296-2894. Let me tell you the reason why I'm making this video. A couple of clients approached us when they saw a video that we posted to show how fast adding SSD to a Mac can improve the Mac, but at the same time give it a significant amount of speed. And they wanted to see what it looks like before and after. So I found there was a client that wanted to replace her Mac with a PC. I tried to talk her into getting an SSD, but she said she was done with Mac and she wanted to get a PC. So she let us have the Mac, and we used it for this video. So the specs for this Mac is an i7 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, and it originally came with a 54 RPM standard drive. That's the spinning drive, but we upgraded it and added a 500 gig SSD, and also migrated the data from the previous hard drive over to the new drive. So we didn't reinstall it from beginning. This is just a migration, and by doing that you can tell by the video what the significant speed difference is. And it went from boot up time of 2.2 minutes and 16 seconds to 18 seconds. That's the difference. And it also went from a login time of 42 seconds to 4 seconds. That is a significant amount of decrease in time. There were some other things that we recorded, like opening things like Outlook, where it normally took a long time to open, but in this case it was instant. So take a look at the video and leave a comment below and tell us what you think. My team will be glad to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you.